Nice view, huh? You can almost feel a nice summer breeze by simply looking at it. Let's get past the first impression, though, as something wonderful is happening inside every bit of green you see there and around you. Every cell of every leaf of every plant is busy performing a spectacular energy conversion. The energy from the sun is being turned into the sugars that power our planet. This is the process of photosynthesis, or building with light. What is happening in all plants is not the same, though. We indeed know that even within the same species, different plants can have higher or lower photosynthesis. This makes perfect sense when you think that nature had millions of years to unleash one of its most powerful forces on photosynthesis, that is, evolution. Many possibilities have been tried throughout these millions of years, and many possible outcomes have been written into the book of nature for photosynthesis. Now, take a moment to imagine what we could do if we had read and deciphered this book in its entirety. We would have all the information on how plants manage to adapt their photosynthesis to different environments. Some of these environments definitely have been more challenging than the others, as the environment of the species I work on. My grey mustard was born around the Mediterranean and had to adapt to its hot, long summers. Evolution made it grow rapidly to win the battle for scarce resources. It's also made it occupy seemingly pointless environments, such as rock cliffs first and roadsides later, to reduce competition with other plant species. It's no wonder that almost everyone considered it just a weed, just a nice nuisance. However, curious researchers picked one of these plants up from a compost pile, almost from garbage, you would say, and observed it had great potential. Specifically, the potential that comes with extremely high photosynthesis. Now, in nature, high photosynthesis can translate to rapid growth. But years of research tell us that we can use increased photosynthesis to increase the yields of our crops. Let's then take a moment and think what we will be able to do once we know how my grey mustard achieves its high photosynthesis, and how other plant species cleverly adapted to increase and improve their photosynthesis under challenging environments. Think of the possibilities we'll have to increase and improve the photosynthesis of our crops. Think of the opportunities we will then have to improve the yields of our crops and produce all of the food that our world will need in the future. It does seem wonderful, doesn't it? Who would have thought that a million-year-old process in a seemingly insignificant plant could hold the answer to the question, how do we feed the world? Now, I and a small group of other researchers have access to technology that a few years ago seemed impossible, allowing us to understand this great book of nature with a depth no one ever could. I'm very happy to be here today on this stage celebrating the fact that many other researchers will be able to join us on this beautiful quest. The time to improve the photosynthesis of our crops, well, is now. Thank you very much.